It makes sense. So let's talk about like the scope of work, right? I mean, obviously you've been in this long enough to where you're a professional, you know it very well. But how long did it take you to get to where you are right now currently?
Oh, I mean, 4 years. Yeah, 4 plus years. I mean, I've invested like hundreds, like in terms of, I mean, if we were to include like amount of ad spend we poured into marketing for gym specifically to test out like hundreds of thousands of dollars by itself. But like in terms of just like investment in myself, right? Whether it's mentorship of courses or coaches, I mean, it's been like probably well over 150 to 200K over the course of 4 years after I graduated. Um, yeah, and I could dive into those as well. Like if there are definitely crazy stories because along with such as the very first client that I had taken in Staten Island, like I actually worked out of his gym, to get the experience because I wanted to learn more. Like I didn't want to deliver just leads because I don't care about leads. I care about like, am I helping this person or not?
Mm.
And in order to learn that, like I realized I need to pick up the phone and actually call people. So like I was actually I was running lead gen. I was cold calling for him during the day, and I would sell at his CrossFit box like from like 4 p.m. Until like 8 p.m. and sometimes like 9 p.m. And I would yeah, it's a crazy commute and everything from New York. But yeah, a lot. But it's been a wild ride. It's been fun.